Hello students, this is me, your teacher Ansari Shabnam, and you are watching All About Teaching. Here I have brought so many reading cards for you. In this reading cards, there are 30 stories. There are 30 cards, and we have received this from our DAV Center for Academic Excellence, DAV College Managing Committee. This is for the betterment of reading and to enhance the reading and also to encourage students in reading activity and helping the students to read and understand English in a very easy manner. If you want to learn English, अगर आप English सीखना चाहते हैं, reading और उसे समझना चाहते हैं, तो मेरे साथ बने रहिए और ये वीडियो को पूरा देखिए. Reading cards. Let us open it today. Last video में हमने chapter 1 पढ़ा था, but today we are going to read our chapter number 2, Garden. Are you ready to read it? Let us start. Let me take out this book and keep everything aside. Number 2, Garden. Let us open it together. See, there is a beautiful garden and there is one girl with garland and there is also one boy, and look at the flowers. But here you can see that these two flowers are not happy. Why is it so? Why are they not happy? Let us read what is given, and after that we will understand that what happened to those flowers. Why are they unhappy? Let us start reading. It is like, Seema is in the garden. The name of that girl is Seema. The garden is full of flowers. Seema makes a garland of yellow flowers. Ajay comes into the garden. Seema shows the garland to him. Seema is very happy, but flowers are very sad. Can you guess why? The flowers are very sad. Why? I think because Seema has made a garland by plucking the flowers, and that thing these flowers don't like. मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए कि सीमा ने फूलों को तोड़ करके फूल की माला बनाई, इसीलिए फूल थोड़े से दुखी हो गए हैं. आपको क्या लगता है? What can be the reason? Please tell me in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your answer. तो चलिए हम questions देख लेते हैं. Now let us see the questions that are given here. Can you read it now? Read the sentences given below. Choose the correct word from the bracket. Write the word along with the number of the sentences in your book. Let's see first number. Seema is in the garden or ground? Ground. Seema is in the ground. Number 2 is, the garden is full of trees or flowers? Flowers. The garden is full of flowers. Number 3. Seema makes a garland of red, yellow flowers. Which color flower she makes? Yellow flowers. Seema makes a garland of yellow flowers. Number 4. Seema is very happy or sad? Seema is very happy. Flowers are very happy or sad? Flowers are very sad. They are not happy. Number B. Learn more words. Read the following sentence and note the underlined word. Flowers are very sad. Now read the following words: sad, bad, mad, lad, bad. The following sentences are incomplete. Select the correct word from the above list. For each sentence, write the word along with the number of the sentence in your notebooks. These blanks are to be filled with the correct word from here. Let us see what is the question written. Question number 6 is, the dash man is in the jail. The bad man is in the jail. Number 7 is, a dash girl is in the hospital. A mad girl is in the hospital. 8. He is a small lad. Lad means boy, baby. Number 9. I write on a pad. Number 10. Meena is sad today. Meena is sad today. Now let us see the next page. Some words and pictures are given below. Match the picture with the correct word. Record the number of the picture and the corresponding word in your notebook. What is it? This is a garden. We'll match it with garden. What is it? It's a garland. Garland के साथ match करेंगे. Be quiet, beta. What is this? This is a flower. This boy is really very sad. Yes, sad hai, sad. And this girl is 15 number. This girl is happy. We'll match it with happy. So with this we have completed all the questions and the reading of our chapter number 2, garden. I hope you will enjoy the reading of it. Now let us meet in the next video where we will read the 3rd chapter, and that is the sun.